right, good morning. Welcome to Options Tender. It is Thursday, January 21st. Thanks for joining us. We're going to go over through a couple things here. We're bringing back FAANG. We're going to go through FAANG stocks. Tech is leading into earnings right now. The small caps are taking a break. We're still bullish on the market, but I will tell you, we are looking for a pullback, and I will tell you why in just a minute here. So if you would, hit the like button, press the notifications, subscribe so we can get the word out to everyone. We want to spread the word, spread the wealth. So here we go. Oh, I got my FAANGM here list on the side. I'm going to put that. Okay, we're going to start from the higher time frames. Here's the monthly 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're working on 5 Elliott wave count, getting real close to that uptrend line, pushing real nice and bullish on the MACD. Go to the week. We like to do all these multiple time frames so we know what the big picture is every single day. 1, 2, 3, 4, pushing on 5 and breaking out from this balance here. Looking good, bullish, bullish, and bullish on the MACD. Going over to the daily, trend is our friend. Working on, I'm just going to go to the minute wave. 1. This was a 1, 2, 3, and I do believe we are just about complete on this third wave to pull back for a 4. We don't know exactly how far that's going to pull back, but we are looking, we're cautious right now. We started putting on some VXX hedges as well as SPY puts. We're right here on the resistance. This candle will be very telling today. It may be a pause candle, maybe a reversal candle. We shall see. But overall, everything's looking bullish. We're crossover on the MACD. We do have a downtrend line that we'll just draw here that we are at. So, you know, this may be another indication that looks like it's peeking through here. But it's maybe another indication that we have a down move imminent. Okay, moving on to the 65-minute chart. We'd like to get real close here, get our wave count. You don't see the one here. 3, working on wave 3, 4. 4 was that flag shape, and on wave 5 here, you know, it's very distorted as you get closer and closer. So we don't know exactly when this wave 5 is going to end. We are at the end of the expected move for the week, so this is a great spot to put on some put protection. There may be another pop a little bit higher. Now the first draw down, the first correction, I don't believe is going to go real far. We're going to be ready for it if it does, but I think it's going to be something like this to the 38.25 area, or maybe even back testing that flag area to get another movement higher. That movement higher will give us a divergence. You see we're crossing over here. That's the caution sign right there. So we may have a pullback here, and then as we go back up, the momentum will not go as high as here. We will, I'll just put a little line here, show you what we're sort of anticipating, a bearish divergence here. So the MACD will come down to the 0 line or something like that and not quite come up as high, but while we're making higher highs here. So that may be next week. That may be tomorrow. We don't know, but that's what we're going to be looking for. And as soon as we make that divergence, then we're looking for the big pullback, maybe down to the 3,700 area. So once again, small pullback, new high, big pullback. That's what we're looking for. So keep your eye open. Just be cautious with don't go allocating big moves for the next couple days, maybe on the next move up, you know. So we have a couple of names we want to go over, and we're just going to look through these very fast in the pre-market. Facebook, because this is what's driving us right now. So Facebook, huge move. I think that's a wave 1 going down to wave 2. Amazon also, let's see here, wave 1, 2, and popping up on a 3. Big move. Apple right at the expected move, also making a move higher. We don't have the wave count on this yet. It's a little distorted. I have to check that out. Maybe a 1, 2, and 3 higher. Netflix. We all know what happened yesterday on Netflix. Huge gap move on earnings. Looking really good. We're not going to touch that. We're going to let the indicators cool off a little bit before we go looking at Netflix. Google almost to resistance again in this huge wedge. We're gonna look at the wave count maybe sometime next week on that one. Google looks prime for a pullback, a large one. Microsoft right at resistance, exceeded the expected move, maybe 1, 2, 3 on that one. Looking good. And dkng is something that we entered yesterday, so we just want to add this on here. Looks like in a pre-market, up just a little bit, just slightly. But had that wave 1 down to 2, possible 2. This could be a ABC correction, or this could be a, remember how we always, we don't know it's confirmed until after it's done. So, or this may be a bigger A, B, C down lower here. So we will keep our eye on that. We are in dkng right now, but we have our stop set underneath this bar here. If we go underneath this bar, then our current move is invalidated. We are stopped out, and it's going to be a bigger correction, and then to the upside. Okay, so that does it. Happy tradings. I will not be here tonight due to obligations, but I'll be back in the morning to do a morning prep and talk about some of the things that happened throughout the day yesterday. So thanks for joining us. Hit that like button, and good luck trading.